Understanding, place a booking, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, place a booking. Whether you're planning a trip, making a reservation at a restaurant, or just curious about how this phrase is used in everyday English, this video is for you. Let's dive in. Place a booking simply means to make a reservation. It's commonly used in the context of hotels, flights, restaurants, or any service that requires scheduling in advance. When you place a booking, you are securing a spot or a service for a specific date and time. It's an essential phrase for travel and dining out. To help you understand better, let's look at some examples. 1. Travel. I need to place a booking for a hotel room in Paris. 2. Dining. Let's place a booking at our favorite restaurant for dinner. 3. Services. I have to place a booking for a haircut next week. These sentences show the versatility of the phrase in different scenarios. While using place a booking, avoid these common mistakes. Don't confuse it with make a book. This is a common error among learners. Use it for services, not objects. For example, say, place a booking for a taxi, not place a booking for a book. Now, let's practice. Try to create your own sentences using place a booking. Share them in the comments below, and I'll give you feedback. That's all for today's lesson on place a booking. I hope this video helps you use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. See you in our next video, and happy learning!